Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to clear the cache for your Google Drive desktop. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application in my device. In case you have not, to install it right now. It is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on Settings. The button's at the top right corner, simply click on it. And from here, let's not look at anything else. Let's simply go to Preferences. Once you go to Preferences, well, you can see something like this, like My Laptop and Google Drive. But right now, what we need to do is simply go to Settings. At the top right, once again, you will see a gear-like icon, click on it, and then you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, you can simply disconnect your account, and you can see something like Real-Time Presence in Microsoft Office. Well, let's not look at that. Here is something like Cache Settings that we are looking for, and right here next to it, you can see something like View Cache Storage. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, currently I have 0 bytes of cached files. In case you have some, simply click on Clear Cache button right here and just follow the prompts. In case it asks you for your confirmation, simply hit on Continue or Yes. And guys, that is it. That is how we clear the cache for Google Drive for desktop. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.